GRT at the time of this recording is attempting another bounce to the upside after holding on a key area of support above the 0.2, and at the time of this recording it's now attempting to see a break above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, and the next key area of resistance which perfectly lies above the 0.2118. And the moment you manage to break above that, then we need to see a break above the significant highs that we made above the 0.2243 for me to continue expecting higher prices. And on today's video I will be discussing the Elliot structure that is playing out here on the charts, and also give you my breakout target areas. And starting the video by first sharing the Elliot structure that is playing out, which I started to track on the 5th of July after we got a massive breakdown move. We saw a very nice bounce to the upside, giving us a high above the 0.1895 in a move that I marked as an Elliott wave count 1. Then we saw a bit of a breakdown move in an Elliott wave count 2. Then we continued to see higher prices in an impulsive Elliott wave structure in what I have been terming as an Elliott wave count 3. And at some point I said to you that I believe that we have now topped in this Elliott wave count 3, and I was expecting a bit of a breakdown move in an Elliott wave count 4, whose minimum target areas I gave you by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the second wave to the high of that Elliott wave count 3, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the Fib level 0.382 and the Fib level 0.5. which is an area that perfectly lies between the 0.2011 and the 0.194, which is the area I have marked on the charts in blue. And you can see that we have seen a breakdown move into that target area. Though we didn't quite fully maximize the area, we saw a bit of a breakdown move into the area, and there are high chances that the lows that we made right here could be the low for this fourth wave, and in the next coming hours we are going to continue seeing even higher prices in this Elliott wave count 5. And the minimum target areas for that Elliott wave count 5 can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that Elliott wave count 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of that Elliott wave count 3, giving me a minimum target area at the Fib level 0.618 as the first target area, which perfectly lies above the 0.2469. And the moment you manage to fully maximize that target area as the first target area, and maybe we have that bullish momentum to continue pushing even higher, then the Fib level 1.618 will be my next target area, which perfectly lies above the 0.2839. And once we have a high in that Elliott wave count 5, then we can term this 5-wave structure to the upside as an even larger Elliott wave count 5. And for us to also get confirmations that we have started that impulsive move in that Elliott wave count 5, we need to see a break above significant highs. And the first significant high lies above the 0.2243, which is the high for this Elliott wave count 3. Once you manage to break above that significant high, maybe with a retest, then I will continue expecting higher prices to see a break above the next key area of resistance above the 0.2324. And the moment you manage to break above that, then I will expect the 0.2474 to be hit, which is my minimum target area, my first minimum target area in that breakout to the upside in that Elliott wave count 5. So those are the significant areas that we first need to see a break above for us to fully confirm that we have started that impulsive move in that Elliott wave count 5. But in case we get rejected at significant key areas of resistances, or maybe we see a sudden pullback in the next coming hours, then I will be watching for one more new low within this blue target area over here in that Elliott wave count 4. And in case we continue holding within the area, then we can expect another bounce back. And on the worst case scenario, in case we lose this blue target area over here, then I will have to restructure my Elliott wave structure. So that is the price action that I'm expecting here on the GRT chart for the next coming hours. And I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you on the next one.